Hello guys, today is Monday. I will show you few systems live like Omega Turbo Trader, and on gold what we have Ultra system for trend lock system. You see in trend trading. Today I will not explain too much about the rules because for each of this I have shown, I have at least 10 videos, YouTube videos on my web page. Also, you can find more about the rules. Here I didn't put only, sorry, I forgot to put take profit. It is here, stop loss here. So, two systems, trend lock system, and this is Omega Turbo Trader with indicator together. So this is how it works, how we make money every day. What to show you next is e-scalper in live trading. Here we are in buy trade, but we are not in the money, but you see 82% here. So our chances are very, very strong for this. Ultra fast scalper, FX Turbo Circle, guys, one system I don't show too many times, but I was asked here to show it. I show it many times. One example here. So this is using my X binary turbo circle indicator, but here we add this channel and stochastic, so we don't trade only seeing the circles, dots. We are waiting for some confirmations here. Like here, you see the price touched this channel and stochastic went under the 20 and coming up, and we get a signal. If this is going over the zero, we take a trade on the next candle, and this is it. Opposite circle, price already went through this channel, or at least touch it, these bands. This is okay. It was under over the stochastic 80 over both, and here it is going down. So valid signals. Here we don't have valid signal. We have everything. We have circle, we have bands which are touched. So price at least must touch the bands. The best is if it goes little bit through it, like here, like I don't know, here or here. But now we have to wait this to come up. So many systems here we are having. We also have a Bitcoin trade here open. So it is 5-minute time frame, so we have to wait. Sell trade here. We know already this. This is buy trade reactor scalper. Also we have to wait. So many trades here in action. We will follow it. You see this is in the money, but you see the spread is big. That's why the trade hasn't been closed. We can close it like here, or we can wait the software, but we don't have time to wait now. Also here, maybe we can wait here for this trade. So let's wait. We are back. You see, it is going up. So we'll see. It will go. It is almost 90%. Bitcoin is preparing for a new trade here. So this is going okay. So here also we are waiting reactor to go up. So patience is needed, because no of these robots will take trade just like that. It has some reasons. You see here, the trend is very high. You see here in good position. The Bitcoin trade has been open. Also buy here. So guys, today I will give you a special offer, a super offer, but you must be very quick. So it is only for you. We'll quick close this trade. We are in the money. We'll give the offer to people which are now watching the video. So it will be fantastic offer. So wait 1 minute. So for any product I have been showing now, like FX Turbo Circle, like FX Scalper with Future MACD, I explained many times, this is future prediction of the trend. You see we are now here, but it shows that it will go down. When we have opened the trade, if you open the trade with the arrow here, you need this red trend line and what you see in next 20 candles. Next 20 candles are here, and it is obviously that price will go up, and that's why we took a trade. We could take a trade here, but we haven't. Future MACD, you see here, you can use it everywhere. This is our FX Turbo Circle. We need this to go up and we'll take a trade. So we have many. Here you see the trade is finishing the money. With gold we haven't waited, but it is in the money. So many good trades live here. You could see this finished in the money also. So also ultra fast scalper, it is not for now. And we have Euro USD daily basis, so we need time. It is a daily chart. This is my secret old strategy 12 years ago. So anyway, whatever you like today from my webpage or what I've been shown, you can go to webpage, choose any. This is Fortix Strategy, Omega Turbo Trader, Omega Indicator. So you have to buy any two indicators today, or expert advisors, any two for 99. But be quick, it is only today and only for the first 5 people. 5 first, which will contact me on the email below. And you will get 5 licenses for each product. So, for example, you will need both Extra Advisor, Turbo Trader, and Omega indicator. So you want to see both, like here. So this is what you see in Extra Advisor and indicator. So you need both of them. And only 99 euros. You see that only indicator is 189. So, but this is just an example. You can buy any two FX scalper, inside bar, V25 plus trader, Rubicon, Robo scalper, E-scalper. You see the price. Any two reactor scalper. It is up to you. I will give you chance that you choose from my webpage. And you see regularly it is only 2. You will get 5. We are again here in some trading. The reactor is taking the trades. You see. Here Bitcoin have taken the trade. Non-stop something is happening. You see buy trade here. We have to wait. You see we are close to be in the money, 1 or 2 moves. So trend buy New Zealand Canadian. What is that? It is probably it is trend lock system. Oh, we get fantastic signal, and here we can take a trade. I will take a trade. I'm a little bit too late, but okay. Let's put something. We can put more. So this is the ways how we are using it and making money. We have this blue arrow, and this is blue over the red line 0. For every of these guys you can see on my YouTube or web page many videos how to use it, the rules. So 99 for every 2 products. For example, this is a good example. Both indicator Extra Advisor. You see regular prices for both. You save 75% in this option. But you can buy 2 Extra Advisors if you like. One 289, and Forex Shadow, for example, it is 560, 70. You get it for 99 plus 5 licenses. Have a nice day, guys. Bye bye.